Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance easily. First, you'll need to set up your account and complete the necessary identity verification. This ensures a secure trading environment. Next, enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication. It's a crucial step. Finally, you can fund your wallet using several convenient deposit options, getting you ready to explore the crypto market. Once your account is funded, buying crypto is straightforward. Head to the Buy Crypto section, where you can select your desired cryptocurrency and payment method. Binance offers various options to suit your needs. When trading, you can choose between market orders for instant execution or limit orders to set a specific price, giving you control over your transactions. Keeping track of your investments is simple with Binance. The wallet overview provides a clear picture of your asset performance. You can also explore opportunities to grow your holdings passively through staking or savings products. To stay ahead, set up price alerts for your favorite cryptocurrencies, ensuring you're always informed about significant market changes and potential opportunities. Binance offers more than just basic trading. For experienced users, explore advanced tools like futures and options to diversify your strategies. You can also participate in Binance Launchpad projects, offering early access to new token listings. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These features can help you maximize your crypto journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.